Is it really you? It's me, Simba. Huh? Whoa! Well, how did you...
What?
Wow! Oh, gee, this is cool. It's great to see you.
Hey, what's going on here?
What are you doing here?
Hey, what's going on here?
Timon, this is Nala. She's my best friend.
Friend?
Yeah. Hey, Pumbaa, come over here.
Huh?
Nala, this is Pumbaa. Pumbaa, Nala.
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
How do you do? Whoa, time out. Let me get this straight. You know her, she knows you, but she wants to eat him. And everybody's okay with this? Did I miss something?
Relax, Timon.